What's up, YouTube? So I'm here today to unbox, review, and also show you the on foot of the Nike AIRMAX NDSTRKT. The price of these shoes, $230. Release date, December 17, 2020. All right. Before I start talking about these shoes, I can't avoid talking about the latest events when it comes to the previous president of the United States, because by the time I put this video up, Joe Biden has already been inaugurated into the office. All right. However, let's talk about Trump for a second. He left the office, but he was supposed to pardon about 100 people. He pardoned a lot of rappers, the owner of Death Row Records. He pardoned him. Kodak Black pardoned him. What do you guys think of the people that he pardoned? All right. I don't know what you guys think about this, but this is what I think. I think that when President Trump, when he pardoned all those people, most of the people that he pardoned were people that were celebrities that were already known. But there are everyday people that's in prison right now that probably went to jail for selling weed. All right. I feel like they should be pardoned and their charges should be dropped. And those guys should be the one that's released from prison. You understand what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? These are the type of people that I think should be pardoned. That's my 2 cents on things. Either way, let's talk about this AIRMAX 95 NDSTRKT. Without further ado, let's take a look at it and let's see what it looks like. Nah, guys. So basically, when I saw these shoes, I was like, whoa, these are fire. All right. AIRMAX 95. All right. AIRMAX 95s. I already got a pair of these. All right. But the ones that I have wasn't designed like this. This is like they're totally different design. I love it. They're very booty. And when I say booty, they looks like, you know what I'm saying? It's like boots / sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Very, very hard material. All right. All right. Very, very hard soles and things like, it's just rugged looking, you know what I'm saying? And I love the color. Now, to me, when I first looked at it also, when I looked at it, I said, yo, this is very futuristic. You know what I'm saying? This got a very, very futuristic look. If you take a look at it, you know what I mean? Take a look at the bottom, all these grips that it's got on it. It's just got a very rugged, rough feel to it, you know what I'm saying? Which, I mean, if it was snowing outside, I definitely would wear these type of kicks in the snow. I'm going outside if it's snowing because you know why? I don't think I'm going to slip with these on. You know what I'm saying? If it's raining, but I know for a fact that he's got good grips. You know what I'm saying? Also, it just looks like a shoe you could wear in the icy winter. And also, we can't forget about these bubbles, right? And the midsole, all right? Created to give you maximum comfort, all right? And if every one of you ever have an AIRMAX 95, you know they're comfortable. You know what I'm saying? It gives you a little bit of height because they're kind of thick here. Like I said again, this rubber traction right here at the bottom will give you so much grips. You know what I mean? I mean, listen, I don't know about you guys, but when I walk outside and it's snowing, I don't want to fall. You know what I'm saying? If I'm going down the stairs or upstairs outside in a train station, I don't want to slip because some snow's on the floor. So I have these on, all right? Good grips, all right, so I don't fall. You understand what I'm saying? Another thing is the materials that these are made of makes it water resistant, all right? So which means if it's raining, it's going to be bouncing off your feet, all right? You're not going to get your feet wet, all right? So that adds to what I was just saying earlier. I wear these in the snow, and I also wear these when it's raining. 2 perfect things that'll make me buy these shoes right away, all right? And also, if you don't want to wear Timbs or you don't want to wear boots in the wintertime, you're looking for balance, traction, all right? Water resistant, type of shoe that feel like boots, but at the same time look like sneakers. These are the ones right here. I bought these for $232. All right. These right here, I got it from Foot Locker. So if you want to get a pair of these, that's how much you got to pay for them. I give these right here. It's on its own league. I give it a 10 out of 10. Yes, I said it. 10 out of 10. You've been approved by SKAIDUKES. I said it. These are fire. You want one of these? You go ahead and cop it. All right. I give it my thumbs up. I'll give it a check sign. That's it. You know what I'm saying? These right here is good to go. And they go hard. All right. I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button. And if you're not, well, what are you waiting for? Click that like button. Click that share button. Come back again. Watch my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. One of these.